time gone. Sitting at my desk, remembering. I wish you could come back. I wish you could come back. I'm a corporate banker. I can't stand it. I don't went to school, then in college, yeah, corporate banker. But really, I wanna be wise. Oh, it's so hard to live the past. Well, time never lets you forget. You pull me high, climbing down the road and getting the soul, yeah. Whoa, how long ago was that? How long ago was that? We was young. It seems so long ago. Saying goodbye to mama, getting on our way, and everything was good. Now it's rancid. I work in an office. I can't get out of it 'cause I need the money. You know it makes me physically sick. I spoke to you 3 days ago. You're in the same kind of world. Where did all the love go? We just need it night. Oh, love loves for money. Isn't it a desperate thing? What you say now? I think so. Love loves, and we could have had the simple thing. We could have had a lot of things, but we never did. I gotta go out of the office this morning, visit another band. I couldn't give a fuck. I can't stop thinking about you. How I'd get tied up in this, I really don't know. Dad said it's a good job working in a band, but it's not for me. 11 years I've been here. I feel like a dirty old man.